Let's just dive straight in. So why are we here today? Well, AI is reshaping everything. There's going to be no industry untouched, and no business is immune to it. And we discussed that in the previous video that will have led you to watching this course with us. And they're going to make our lives easier. But as we discussed, they're also going to make life harder, because a lot of jobs that currently are done by humans will be done better by these technologies. So that's going to make a massive difference. So the pace of change, we said, is unprecedented.
Whether it's an existing business or a new concept, we're gonna feed your mind with lots of potential, aren't we?
That's it.
Yeah.
And I think that's the key, isn't it? It's the fear versus the opportunity that we've got on the slide here. Because you can step into fear. You can step into the place of, I'm worried about this. How's this going to work? How's it going to affect me? How's it going to affect my family? But then you also have the opportunity to look at it and go, the glass is half full. This is an amazing opportunity. This is really the gold rush of the 2020s. And we're going to give you the ability to sell the shovels, not just to be hunting for the gold yourself. We're going to show you how that you can actually use this to your advantage, and more importantly, to help people and to help businesses and to help your families. Yeah. All right, let's rattle through this. So enter community AI. What do we want to do? The mission is to empower wealth creation. We're going to give you all-in-one marketing and AI tools. We're going to work on automations for you. We're going to work on building communities for you, so we can give you community focus and building for the future, not the past, and share multiple ways to create revenue.
So even the failures were like, great learning curves. So essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving you the absolute fastest learning curve that we know between us, which takes you from zero to hero in this space. So that's really the sole focus of this.